Hey nail bosses, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a redesign. So this is a set that I did using my spring acrylic collection. I do have that video on my channel, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out if you missed it. But again, in this video we're going to be doing a redesign and reshape. So I'm going in with my 5-in-1 extra fine tapered drill bit, and I'm just basically removing that top coat, those flowers, and I'm gonna go in and reshape the nails. So I'm just going in and using my drill bit to file the sides of the nails and just kind of shaping it into that almond shape as I go, and then of course just still removing the top coat as I go. And during this step I am using my e-file at 6,000 rpms, and I am using my Macart Flawless Pro e-file, which I absolutely love. And as you guys can see, everything is coming off really easily. It's not leaving any like really deep indentations into my nail. It's just able to literally get all of that top coat. I'm able to clean up my cuticle area, and I'm able to reshape all with the same drill bit. So I do have this drill bit available on my website, and I absolutely love it. It's literally like an all-in-one drill bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this on all of the nails. Again, just removing that gel top coat and then reshaping. Alrighty, so after I finish removing that top coat and reshaping with the e-file, I'm going to go in with my hand file, and I'm just going to redefine that shape to make sure that it's really nice and crispy. So I'm using my 8080 hand file, and I'm just going to go ahead and file all of my nails. Alrighty, so after I finish reshaping, I just dust them off. That's what they look like from the side. So they're already pretty nice and smooth, but I'm still gonna go in and just buff them. And I mentioned in my last video that I seen this buffer on Instagram and I had to give it a try. So basically it's like a buffer that goes, or it's just a little drill bit, and of course you can swap them out after each use. I bought them, I forgot the name of the website, but I'll be sure to leave them down below, but I couldn't find them on Amazon or anything. They were literally just on the website from that same brand, but like I said, I'll be sure to leave the link down below. Definitely came in handy. However, I did have to get a little bit used to it. So the first time I used it, I did cut myself just a little bit. You guys can kind of still see it on my fingers. So I just had to make sure that when I was working with it, I kind of slowed it down. So during this process, I was using it at about 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs. But as always, whenever you're using your e-file, just use it at whatever speed you feel comfortable using it at. But again, this is basically like using just a regular buffer, except for it's on your drill and is just removing the scratches from your nail that are left from the hand file or your e-file. So after that, I went ahead and dust them off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe them off with an alcohol wipe. So this is what they look like after we did all of the filing and the buffing. And so now we're gonna go in with polish. And this black gel polish is actually a part of my NC Essential Gel Polish collection. As you guys can see, it's going on really good. The coverage is absolutely perfect for just one coat. So I'm going to be doing just one coat on all of the nails. I am going to be doing a French tip on 2 of the nails as well. And then of course, just curing for 30 seconds. So for the French tip, I'm just going in with my small nail art brush. I do have these on my website. It actually comes with a set of 3 and they work really well. But I go in and just draw my smile line and then I just fill in the tip with the nail polish brush. So doing the same thing on this one, again just drawing my smile line and then just going in and filling in the tip. So after I cure for 30 seconds, I'm going in with this builder gel by Model Ones, and I'm going to be using a dotting tool, and I pick up a bead or like a little bit of the gel and just place it on the nail. And as you guys can see, I'm basically going in like a little not zigzag, what would you even call this, basically like zigzag but to where it's rounded. Let me know below what it's called because I just literally made some up. But as you guys can see, I just literally dip my dotting tool into the builder gel and then just place it right on top of the nail and just kind of float it over the top of the nail, just like this, and it basically creates like that 3D look. And then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so this is what the nails look like after I did the builder gel on all of them. Now I'm going to go in with my NC gel top coat and I'm going to apply that on all of the nails. Now whenever I apply the top coat, I don't want to apply it too thick. I literally just want to of course do a thin layer and then getting in between the builder gel. That way the top coat basically doesn't fill in the ridges. So after this, we're going to cure for exactly 60 seconds and then I'm going to go in with this chrome I got a long time ago, and it's by Daily Charms, I believe. And with my glove, I'm just going to dip it into the powder and just rub it on the top of the nail. And y'all, I know a lot of people use like the little makeup applicator or like the little sponges, but when I say that using just the glove worked really good, like it really gave me that chrome mirror look and I absolutely loved it. Like y'all, when I say I am obsessed with this set, like I literally was obsessed. I've been wanting to try it for a while. I know it's been really popular and it definitely did not disappoint. So this is what the first nail looks like. So I wanted to just give it a try before I actually did the rest. But I kind of also even just like the black with just the builder gel on top. Like that kind of was giving as well. But I'm going to go ahead and just do the chrome on all of them. So again, you always want to make sure that if you're doing silver that you do your black polish underneath and then do a top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then your chrome. Now if you want to do another like a different color base, the chrome color, like it'll still show up silver but it will kind of have a hint of another color. But if you want that true chrome, like silver chrome color, you definitely want to do a black base for sure. But again, just making sure that you just rub it in really well. It is going to get kind of messy, but I'm going to just dust them off. And then after that, I'm going to go in and just with my little cleanup brush, I'm going to go in and just clean up the small line on my French tips to make sure that I don't have too much of that chrome on the nude. So I just kind of dipped my brush in a little bit of acetone. Like it wasn't a lot on the brush, but just enough to where it was getting that chrome off my finger and the nails. So next I'm going to go in with my top coat and I'm just going to apply this over all of the nails, and same thing, just going in between the hard gel. That way it does not fill in the grooves and we still have that 3D look. And after this, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so after I cured, I'm gonna go in with some charms, and to apply those I am using my hard gel. It is on my website, and y'all, when I say it's so good, like literally when you apply those charms, they're not going anywhere. But anyways, here is the final look, y'all. They turned out absolutely beautiful. I love the chrome with the nude, and they're so shiny, and literally videos and pictures did it no justice at all. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.